As tax season nears, Coachella Valley homeowners find themselves at a crossroads, contemplating how best to leverage their tax returns. Amidst the myriad of options, one investment opportunity often overlooked is upgrading the HVAC system. In a region renowned for its extreme temperatures, ensuring optimal indoor comfort isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Here's a compelling argument for why homeowners in Coachella Valley should prioritize upgrading their HVAC system with their tax return funds. Curbing energy consumption isn't solely a financial boon, it's a vital step toward environmental stewardship. By embracing energy-efficient HVAC systems, Coachella Valley homeowners can significantly reduce carbon emissions and lessen dependence on fossil fuels. This commitment to sustainability not only fosters a greener future, but also translates into immediate benefits, such as reduced energy bills and enhanced comfort. Also, investing in home improvements like HVAC upgrades can substantially bolster property value. Prospective buyers often covet homes equipped with modern, energy-efficient amenities, which promise long-term savings. By upgrading their HVAC systems now, homeowners not only relish immediate comfort and savings, but also position their properties favorably in the real estate market, should they decide to sell in the future. Older HVAC systems are notorious energy guzzlers, resulting in hefty utility bills. Homeowners can drastically slash their monthly energy expenditures by opting for a modern HVAC upgrade. Contemporary systems leverage cutting-edge technology to maintain desired temperatures while consuming minimal energy. Additionally, many newer systems feature programmable thermostats and zoning capabilities, granting homeowners precise control over energy consumption and consequent cost savings. In a climate like Coachella Valley's, indoor comfort is paramount. An upgraded HVAC system promises consistent, precise temperature regulation throughout the home, ensuring year-round comfort. Moreover, newer systems boast advanced filtration mechanisms that sift out dust, allergens, and other airborne contaminants, significantly enhancing indoor air quality. This boon is particularly advantageous for individuals with allergies or respiratory ailments, fostering improved health and well-being. Utility companies and governmental bodies offer an array of rebates and tax incentives to encourage homeowners to transition to energy-efficient HVAC systems. These incentives offset initial installation costs, making the investment even more financially enticing. Furthermore, certain upgrades may qualify for federal tax credits, further mitigating the upfront expense of HVAC system upgrades. Allocating your tax return towards upgrading your HVAC system isn't just a prudent financial move, it's a transformative investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. From substantial energy savings and enhanced indoor air quality to lucrative rebates and environmental stewardship, the benefits of upgrading your HVAC system are manifold and far-reaching. Now is the opportune moment to embrace the future of home comfort and sustainability by upgrading to a modern, energy-efficient HVAC system, one that will keep your abode cozy and your expenses in check for years to come. And for all your HVAC needs here in the Coachella Valley, remember to contact Anthem, your trusted partner for efficient and eco-friendly heating solutions. Thanks for watching.